Hey guys, Tarun here from Minus Gateway. In my last video, we discussed about T-Rex miner and NBminer having an issue. So the versions that were impacted were T-Rex miner 0.26.4 and NBminer version 42. So they were causing a lot of problems with stability and mining, and that was actually leading to hash rate drops and card crashing. So those are the kinds of issues that we are seeing. Yesterday, while recording that video, NBminer actually released version 42.1, which I have been testing since last 17 to 18 hours. It has been going well. The gap that you see is because I was actually switching my cards. I have consolidated all my cards, LHR V1 and V2 cards into one rig. So this is a five card. Sorry guys, five card rig which has both the versions of LHR V1 and V2 together, and it has been going well for about 17 hours now. And if you look at the miner uptime, there was a power outage in between during early morning, so that is the reason why the miner has restarted. Even after the miner restarting, looks like it is resumed where it left off from. It is pretty stable and consistent. So the way things are looking, the way things are going, it is looking really good, and I hope it remains the same. And I hope also that T-Rex comes up with a stability fix for their version. At this point of time, there seems to be no problems with the overclocks or the stability of all my rigs. They have been doing pretty well so far. And if you look right, on the 3060, I'm getting a consistent 50.12 mega hash, and on the 3060 Ti, I'm getting 62.62. I've heard one of my viewers and subscribers say that they can push this card to about 64. I have not tested that. I will test that sometime in the future. Right, and for now it looks like the LHR unlock on NBminer version 42.1 is working well, and it is looking stable. I would like to thank the NBminer developers for fixing this so quickly. Kudos to them for that. And if you look at the shell in the box, it has been going well for about like I mentioned before, going well for about 12 hours and 16 minutes, and my power consumption is 600 watts. And off the wall, with the smart plug that I'm taking a reading from, I'm getting about 625 to 630 watts. That is what it's showing off the wall for this particular rig, and it is running with a 1 kilowatt Corsair power supply. So looks like things are going smooth. Fingers crossed that it continues this way. And that's all I have for the video, for this video. As usual, if you guys like what I do, and please do hit that like button, and subscribe to my channel. It will keep me motivated and continue to bring more content, and it will be supporting me in the long run as well. So until the next video, you guys take care, stay safe. I'll speak to you in the next video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.